Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Professor Ashiruzaman Khan from Government Muslim Science College, Hyderabad. Now we have another topic which is called chain rule of differentiation. So this is really powerful technique to evaluate the derivative of complicated functions. So we can easily find out the derivative by applying this chain rule. So how can we evaluate the chain rule? First of all, we have to consider the concept of composite functions or composition of two functions. So let y is equal to f of u and u is equal to g of x. Then this implies that y depends upon u and u is actually depends upon x. So ultimately this implies that y depends upon x. So y is a function of x. Such function is called the function of the function. So y is a function of x. Such function is called function of a function or composite function. So actually we can write it as y is equal to f of g of x, such that instead of x we are putting over here g of x and f naught of g is equal to y. So to find out the derivative of which is dy by dx, we can use the formula that is called chain rule. To find dy by dx, we use the formula that is dy by dx is actually equal to dy by du, and into du by dx is called the chain rule of differentiation.